the number one thing that you need to succeed with affiliate marketing. What is going on, guys? My name is Rafael. If you're new to the channel, this is the channel where I talk all things how to make money online, and I teach you the strategies you need to know to succeed. Okay, so if you are first time here, I recommend you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the only thing, alright, that you need to succeed with affiliate marketing, okay? And that is, I'm just going to give it to you, is an email list, okay? That is where you will be making most of your income, okay? Sending daily emails to your list, and building that trust between your subscribers, okay? Now, let me tell you a quick story about one of my mentors and an experience that he had that pretty much changed his life. And this is it happened about 2010, 2011. He had multiple affiliate blogs, so he was making about like 10K a month, and he was doing really well with these blogs. But if you didn't know, back in 2010, 2011, during that time, Google released an algorithm update, and so it penalized a lot of blogs that were running, shady backlink tactics, and so he was affected. Okay, pretty much he lost his all his blogs overnight, and so he lost all his revenue. But the benefit to all this is that he had an email list, okay, guys, and so he was not, he wasn't hurt that bad, but having that email list saved him pretty much, and that's what that's his like number one asset, he said. And so that's the most important thing that you need if you're doing any type of affiliate marketing. You need to have that email list, okay? And I'm amazed by some of these guys. They run ads and they just run it directly to the offer, but they don't build an email list, guys. And so just wanted to mention that in this video, that you need to be building that email list. All right, so even if it's today, okay, guys, even if it's today, you run a new campaign, start generating those email addresses. It's going to pay off in the long run, okay? And it's email marketing. It's the best way to build relationships with your subscribers. So this is just a quick video here, letting you guys know that you need to have email marketing in your plan if you really want to succeed with affiliate marketing. Alright, guys, so I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I create weekly videos in Make Money Online. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.